Asuntoskeittiö Grustafus, Kaivokselantie Foreign, Kaivoksela, Vantaa, staircase C, basement, staircase B actually. In 1963, it's 10876. Sixth floor. Three per saw, 240 kilograms. This building has two almost similar buildings, and two ones are from 1963, and staircase A is from 1962. Staircase C is from 1962. This is the only staircase with basement floor. Basement. This is also the best one. Got the basement floor. Inspected by Kiva Inspectant, maintained by Kaivoksela hissikeskus. Sixth floor.
Someone has written here, root, also together here. It's nowhere else it's finished. It should be everywhere, but it isn't. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2021, and it turned 55 years old in 2018.
This mechanical flooring cater is amazing. That's